To single crochet 3 stitches together, you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Insert hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through, so you have 3 loops on your hook. And then insert your hook into the third stitch, yarn over and pull through, so you have 4 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, and you've single crocheted 3 stitches together. So I'm now just going to do 1 standard single crochet, and then we'll do that again. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through, insert into the third stitch, yarn over and pull through. 4 loops on hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. And that is how to single crochet 3 stitches together.